In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a paper check at a Bank of America ATM. This process is straightforward, and with my guidance, you'll be able to do it with ease. So let's get started right away. First, you'll need to locate any Bank of America ATM. These are typically found at branch locations, but you can also find them in various convenient locations like shopping malls or gas stations. The Bank of America website has a handy locator tool to help you find the nearest ATM. Once you arrive at the ATM, the first thing you'll need to do is insert your debit card, or if your card and the ATM support it, you can use the contactless icon for a touch-free experience. After inserting your card, the ATM will prompt you to enter your PIN. Make sure to cover the keypad as you type in your PIN to ensure your information stays secure. Once you've successfully logged in, the screen will present you with a series of options. Tap on Make Deposit to proceed with your transaction. After you've done that, you'll need to choose the type of deposit you're making. In this case, you'll select Check since we're focusing on depositing a paper check today. The ATM will guide you on where to insert your check. Make sure that the check is placed flat without any folds or creases and that any staples or paper clips have been removed. Carefully insert the check into the designated slot. The ATM will then proceed to scan and process your check, and you should see an image of the check and some related details on the screen. Next, you'll be asked to confirm the details of the deposit. Review the information displayed, such as the amount and the account information, to ensure everything is correct. If all looks good, select Confirm to proceed. Once you've confirmed, the ATM will complete the deposit process for you. It's always a good idea to take this moment to print a receipt of your transaction for your records. Not only can you have it as documentation, but Bank of America ATMs offer the option to have an image of your deposited check printed on the receipt as well, should you need it. And just like that, you've successfully deposited a paper check at a Bank of America ATM. Always remember to take your card and receipt with you when you've completed your transaction to avoid leaving behind any personal information. This process makes banking more convenient and is great if you can't make it to the bank during regular hours. Thanks for watching and happy banking.